So I'm ready. I've been really loving my makeup lately. I'll leave links down below for like some of the new products that I'm using. A lot of you guys were asking me on my Instagram like to film a makeup tutorial. If you're interested in, you know, this kind of look, let me know and I could film it for you guys. I feel like there's just like too many like tutorials online, so I don't know if it's something that you guys might like. I just want to make sure that if I push it out, you guys like it. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit, but this is what I'm wearing today. I am wearing this cute outfit. Why is the lighting like this? And it's from H&M. I got these really nice t-shirts to wear under like my outfits or whatever. I got them in like this nude shade and I also got it in white. And I got this like lounge set. It's just 2 pieces. It's this really nice cardigan and I really liked it because it's like long and modest and I like stuff like that. So this is what I'm wearing today. I was planning on wearing something else that I was showing you guys earlier, but I opened my window as I was like doing my makeup and it was like hot. So I go online and I'm like trying to check the weather and it's like 90 degrees. So yeah, I'm not really happy about that. So I can't really like wear my boots or whatever, but I wore this like very light loungewear set. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm responding to some emails right now. I'm uploading a TikTok video. And as I'm working on that, I'm also responding to some emails. I have some things that I have to kind of work on for some brands and gonna head out. I'm actually so hungry right now. And I don't like to go out during my lunchtime because if I leave the house and I'm hungry, that means I have to get something, and it's usually not easy for me to eat out now because of my diet. And because I'm also very picky, it sucks. So I just have to figure out what I'm gonna do right now before I head out of the house. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to JCPenney. And I'm not gonna really show too much at JCPenney, but I wanted to let you guys know that Hassan and Batul are memorizing the Quran a lot now that they're like in the Arabic school and in the Islamic school. So they're memorizing Quran and mashallah, like they're doing amazing, especially Batul. I'm so proud of her because Batul doesn't really speak Arabic a lot. She's really, really shy. And sometimes it's very difficult for her to like speak it or say it out loud. So the fact that she's memorizing Quran is a very big accomplishment for herself. And it's a very big accomplishment for me. And it's a very big deal for me and I want to reward her. So I'm going to be purchasing some toys for the kids, for Hassan and for Batul from JCPenney. And I'm going to surprise them with that, inshallah. So JCPenney is going to be sponsoring that video. So I'm really excited for that partnership. I don't know what to pick them. I kind of went online and I really couldn't find anything. So maybe in store it's like really much easier for me to like find out what they might like as I'm in store. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for that. So stay tuned and I'll be back. I ended up wearing these really nice shoes that my brother got me. Right now I'm like in the shade, but as soon as you get out in the sun it's like 90 degrees and it's like stinking hot. So I'm gonna head on. I'm really hungry. I'm still thinking about food. I took out some pancakes, but to be honest, they're still frozen. So I'm gonna head on out right now. It's a really sunny day here today. It was like 66 yesterday, so I don't know like what the heck happened. California has like such weird weather. How's the weather at where you're from? Because it's pretty warm here all year long. It's really nice, I don't mind it, but it's just like, it's the fall and it was like 60s yesterday. So I don't know why it's like 99 today. I found this artist in Iran. It's really nice. It taught, you know, it's of course Islamic music. It's Islamic nasheeds. So if you guys want to check him out, his name is Ali Gilich and he has really nice tunes, really nice music about the prophets and about the imams. But some of it is in Urdu, I believe some of it is in Arabic, some of it is in English. And then some of it is in Persian. So this guy speaks a lot of languages. So you guys should check him out. And I think you guys would really enjoy it. I know you guys, some of you guys were asking me last time, like I could create longer vlogs. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys want my vlogs to be like 15 minutes, 10 minutes? I know some of them are shorter. So do you guys want them to be longer, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes? Just let me know because I always have my camera in my bag. So if you guys ever want me to film like longer content and if you guys want longer vlogs, just let me know. If you prefer for it to be short, just let me know if you want it to be short as well, or if I should like mix it up. I like mixing things up personally. I don't like to always keep it short and then always keep it long, but like a little bit of a mix up. So if your team mix up, leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to mix it up. So I'm gonna officially head on out right now. I'm only thinking about food, which is not a good thing. I don't like to go anywhere hungry. So I'm gonna see if I can grab a smoothie or something from like Jamba Juice and then head on out to JCPenney and start shopping. Made it to JCPenney. Fun fact, I used to shop here a lot when I was a kid and almost all of my outfits were from JCPenney. So it's really nice to kind of start shopping here again, getting stuff for me and my family and the kids. I'm gonna show you guys the full outfit. I just wanted to show you guys that it's so awkward when I do stuff like this in public that guys looking at me. I'm gonna be doing TikTok and Reels. So what I'm going to do is do a transition video. So we're basically gonna be jumping from our PJs into like really cute fits. So these are the PJs. I wanted to go for these because they're like blue and really light colored, but I couldn't find a size for myself, so I had to opt out of that. So I feel like with these there's just a lot of options. Hopefully I could find the sizes that I'm looking for. So I came to the women's section. This is like the dresses section. There's actually some really nice modest picks. There's something like this. I'm not really gonna go for this kind of style, but there's pretty much like a lot of modest options. I'm aiming to go for that kind of look. I picked it up last time, but I didn't end up going with it. So I'm gonna look for this and see if they have my size, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. After an hour and a half, I grabbed these things. And if you guys wanna see the full look on our Instagram, just follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. That's where we're going to be posting the reels and the TikTok and the cute little outfits that I got. I'm so excited to share this. I'm actually going to be taking some holiday photos with the family, so you guys can check all of that out on our Instagram. But I'm gonna legit just start checking out because I'm getting really hungry because I didn't eat yet. But I just wanted to show you guys after 2 hours, this is what we got. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, so I picked up everything from JCPenney. I couldn't vlog it because I legit have 4 large bags. They're in the trunk right now. And if you guys want to see the holiday video or the TikTok and reel that we're going to be posting, check me out on TikTok and on Instagram because that's where we're going to post it. I'm honestly really considering to take holiday photos, as I mentioned earlier, because there's such cute fits. Like there's such cute fits, but I'm not gonna be able to make it to work right now because I'm so hungry. I didn't even end up going to like grab a smoothie or anything because the food court was like all the way on the other side. But I did come to Whole Foods. They have this gluten-free pizza dough, and I use it to make my own like pita bread style or like bread style stuff. I use it to make like manaish in the morning, and I'm gonna go home and make chicken shawarma sandwiches. And I'm so hungry, you have no idea. I have the garlic from Trader Joe's. I have the pickles. All I need to do is get the bread, and the chicken's like already sauteed and everything like that. So I'm gonna go down and pick that up. And this is the gluten-free pizza dough mix that I've used the past week, and you guys, it's really good. It's really good. It like wraps really nicely and it folds really nicely. It doesn't break as much as like the ones that I like make at home. So it's $3.79 for this, but it's really good. I make my za'atar sandwiches in it in the morning. Right now, I did my shawarma wrap the other day in it. Remember when I shared it on my Instagram stories? And I'm gonna make chicken shawarma wrap with this today. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it in a little bit when I get home. And then I love this brand. It's called Simple Mills, and I love it because it literally has like 6 ingredients. So this is like their almond flour chocolate chip cookies, and then here's like the list of ingredients. If you guys can see them right over here. So with this specific one, I don't really want to take in any cane sugar, so I'm gonna see if I can somehow take out the chocolate chips and add my chocolate chips, because my chocolate chips don't have any chocolate in them, and then see how that would kind of go. And then I also got this, but it was a little bit expensive, I'm not gonna lie. It was like $10.99. It's keto fudge brownies, and these are the ingredients. It has no sugar added, so you guys can kind of like read the ingredients on here, but it just has sugar replacer, and then monk fruit, coconut flour, coconut powder, salt. So I'm pretty sure I can make this at home, but I just want to see if this works and if it tastes right, because I feel like the ones that I'm making at home, they don't taste as sweet as I want them, and I know why. I'm not adding as much like sweetener in it, and I know with these guys they're probably adding like a ton of sweetener. I'm gonna head on home and start making food, and you guys can make food with me. I'm gonna show you how many of these I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I probably need 1 of these a week, I would say. I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna make this together. I have like a full vlog coming that's in the works. I'm just like adding more clips to it as I go. But in the meantime, like in the middle of vlogs, I don't mind sharing these things and letting you guys know on my Instagram and on my updates on YouTube, like if they're good or not. But I'm gonna show you guys what they have me, or what they want us to do with the pizza dough and then what happened when I did it. So with their recipe, it says add a half cup water. It says add a tablespoon of vinegar, and it says 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. What I did last time was I added a cup of water. And when I added a cup of water, I was like, oh my God, this is like pancakey. So I ended up getting some of this flour, which is just like the regular gluten-free flour here. And I just added it to it, and that's how I got that consistency. So that's what we're gonna do today. It smells like garlic because they add garlic powder to it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab a bowl, and then I'm gonna see what we should do. Heat the oven. By the way, we're not heating any ovens for this. We're doing this all on the stove top. I have like a little griddle, so I'm gonna show you guys once I do that. You whisk water, vinegar, and oil. So you gotta whisk the wet ingredients first. Remember, I'm doubling the water. I'm not going what they're saying. So we're gonna double the water. My thing is broken. I need to buy a new one. A tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. That's how much I added last time. And then 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Okay, so I just added 2 spoons of this, and then I'm gonna put this aside because I'm gonna use it again. That or olive oil. So I'm gonna mix this together. Cut this open, and then we're gonna add it to the bowl. This is why I don't cook with clothes on. I got my clothes dirty. I'm not really happy about that. When you add this together, see the consistency? It's like biscuits. And you don't want it to be like this, and that's because I doubled the water. So last time I doubled the water on accident, but this time I kept it like this because I have a goal in mind, and I'm gonna show you that. And with this one, I just winged it. I didn't really like, you know, add like by measuring. I just legit like winged it. I'm like, okay, it needs that much. So until it feels like dough. It's not gonna like literally feel like dough, but because it's not like, it doesn't have a binder. So like with gluten-free, the reason why like it becomes crumbly is because rice flour and all that, they don't have a binding ingredient in there. So it's very hard for it to bind together. And I'm gonna add some more sunflower oil, so that way these don't stick to me. The struggle is real, guys, but once you get the hang of it, like, it's not so bad, trust me. Like, it's like making fresh pita bread every single time you want to make a sandwich, but I'm gonna show you what I do. So you could see it's starting to get a little bit hard, which is good. You want it to be like that. And by adding that extra half cup of water, it makes more dough. So, because I added that gluten-free flour. It's definitely way better than the dough I make at home. And the reason is because I used their pizza dough and I added some Pillsbury dough on top of it, or some Pillsbury flour on top of it, but it literally feels like a dough. It's binding to a certain extent, not too much, but just enough. And then what do? I put this in a Ziploc bag. So you can grab any Ziploc bag. I'm just grabbing this Ziploc bag. And then you grab your dough and you just like literally put it in here and you put it in the fridge. And it's pretty much ready for the week. Like that whole batch is like enough for me throughout the week. I wake up in the morning and I want to make za'atar, I want to make lahm b'ajin. What I do is, you can get any like skillet. I'm gonna show you what I have. You can use this. I got this from Costco. It's just like, you know, it's like for tortillas or like wraps or whatever. You could use this to make it. All you gotta do is you could put a little bit of oil or a little bit of like avocado spray. You could put that in there, and you just flip it on both sides and then it's ready. But for me, I just use this one. You guys could see like there's like oil marks and whatever. I tried to clean it. It's not getting that clean. I literally just spray some stuff over here, pat it, make it into like a perfect circle, flip it, and then I'll add my za'atar in the morning. In this case, I'm gonna cook it on both sides. Just be careful, because with this kind of dough, you just have to understand exactly what you want to achieve from this. So if you're making za'atar and you want to fold it and then you want to toast it, make sure that when you flip it, you're able to fold it, then you toast it. Because if you toast it, it's going to be harder to bend. For this specific food that I'm going to make today, the shawarma wrap, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to toast it too much. I don't want it to be too crispy, because my goal is I want to wrap it. So when I wrap it, I'm going to put it in the foil and all that good stuff. So that's that. I'm going to go change because I'm going to start cutting up some fries and I'm going to start cooking up chicken, and I already got this kind of dirty a little bit. So I'll be back and we'll start cooking together, and I'll show you guys how it looks, and I hope you guys really enjoy it because it's super, super delicious. Here is the chicken shawarma. I use chicken thighs, and I put some tandoori spices, some black pepper, some garlic, some salt and lemon, and that's why you see like this is why you see it orange, is because of the tandoori spices. And then I'm also frying some fresh French fries. If you're Lebanese or Arab, you know why we do it.
Oh my god.
So anyways, the reason why I'm showing you this is because if you decide to make a sandwich, don't start with the bread until your fries are done and until your chicken's cooked, because what you want to do is as soon as that bread is completely done, you want to take it right away as it's really warm and be able to make your sandwich and wrap it and like put foil around it so you can eat it. Because if you let it finish early, what's gonna happen is it's gonna get hard, and you don't want that. So that's something that I noticed with this kind of bread. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wait until the chicken kind of finishes up a little bit, and the French fries mainly, because the chicken's kind of almost done, and I'm gonna make the bread. So I have my little setup over here. The French fries are done. The chicken is done. As you can see, it's still sizzling. Trader Joe's garlic sauce. You already know I raved about this on my Instagram. The fresh pickles. And now we're gonna make the bread. Let's make the bread. Here's the bread, it's ready. Just when you start seeing like well done little spots or the crispy spots, that's when you know it's kind of ready. Here's the final product. Here's what the gyro sandwich looks like. As you guys can tell, it wraps really nicely. It's not gonna be like a Arabic, like Arabic Lebanese wrap where like you like roll the whole wrap. But here's the sandwich. You guys can kind of like see the bread, how it kind of like loops around. And this is an up close of the sandwich itself. You guys, وحياة Allah tastes like pita bread. I'm not even playing you. I'm gonna log off because I'm gonna call my friend and I'm gonna hang out with her because I miss her. I haven't seen her in a long time. And then I'm gonna work after this and go to bed early and wake up early tomorrow because I have a very long day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and let me know if you guys try this sandwich out. Let me know if you guys try making this fresh pita bread. If you grabbed this from Whole Foods, what did you think about it? If you have another recipe, share it with me below. I'm gonna get into eating because your girl is heck hungry, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I love you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, before you go, here are some videos if you guys want to watch them. They're really nice videos. I hope that you guys enjoy those videos. If you guys want me to film anything next, let me know down in the comments below. I love you guys. We'll talk soon. Bye.